this video, we'll be showing you how to access and change the Modbus parameters on power and harmonic trip units. You would hit the maintenance menu button, which is the wrench, and then you would scroll down to COM Setup and then select Modbus parameters. This will show you the address, baud rate, and parity of the Modbus system, as well as in some newer trip units will also show connection type. All four of these, or three, on older trip units can then be changed by selecting the one that you want to change and just scrolling to the number you want it to be set at. Once you have changed these settings, you can then exit out by hitting the wrench button again, and the trip unit will ask you if you want to save. You would go down and select yes. And then they have been changed.